Back to Savvy Serena. Today I am doing the August plan with me, and this month is special to me because it is my birthday. So I'm going to do it a little bit different because it is my birthday month. So here we go. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe before we get started. Y'all know what I normally pull from, but if you're new, I am pulling from the productivity happy planner stickers, and I'm also pulling from the seasonal happy planner stickers, and I don't think I'll be using anything else. I don't know, we'll see. This page ripped out, so I'm going to use these little hearts right here to do my border up here. I hope that fits. Maybe I should have done that one. Oh no. That's going to go over my numbers. Okay, let's put that one back. I've got a smaller one here. What to do is I have an appointment my husband does on the 15th. So I'm going to use that in one of my Crimson Color assorted markers. And I'm going to do, I think, this one. This is a little bit thicker point than the thinner one. Let's see, he has to be there at 2:15. That's for his doctor appointment. The appointment's at 2:50. It's actually, how do you put in? Check in at 2:40. We'll just go 2:40 appointment. 3 o'clock. Because he has paperwork he has to fill out. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I wanted to put that in first because my birthday month is the 22nd. So what I'm going to do, I can't do it that way, so I have to do it this way. It's just have my balloons coming up. The 22nd is my birthday. So have one of these happy birthday signs. It's time to celebrate that I'm going to put over here on the side. Me knows I love my coffee, so I'm going to put caffeine and confidence right there, because I've actually have a cup of coffee in my Wonder Woman cup that I'm actually drinking as I'm doing this. Sticker I want to use, stay positive. It says work hard, dream big. We're going to put that down here. I'm all about motivating. And I'm going to put, I don't know if this one will fit, but I'm going to put this one that says Boss Lady up at the top. Because I want to inspire myself this month. I need some things up here. These balloons I'm going to put up Well, I want to put it, that's too crowded. Let's put it like this. Like they're floating off the page. And I've got one small one over here that I could stick on this side. Or we could just, yeah. There we go. Let's see, do we have any other plans going on this month? A little strawberry on the 18th because my stepdaughter is coming into town to stay, that's coming in for the week. So I don't want to forget that date. Let's see. I have an appointment on the 9th. See, I think I have to be there at 1 p.m. Let's see. And I need to put Serena on that. This one is Ed. So I don't forget who is who and what's what. And I guess I ought to write on here put Serena there. Let's see. I think that's it. Some tiny little stars I think I'm going to put over here because that's just too bare for me. And these are little, so they'll fit in there great. Woo. There we go. Now I'm finished. I just don't like that empty spot over there. Pretty simple. I like it. Turned out better than I thought it was going to. Kind of the vibe I was going for to inspire me this month, being my birthday month. And so if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because I do the monthlies every week. I did do a few weeklies. I don't know, but I did some weeklies and I do have them on my channel. So if you want to see what I'm doing weekly, I don't do it as often now that I'm filming it. I may do it this month though, being my August month, to inspire me and a little bit more. But I love the motivational stickers. Those are inspiring. But if you like this video, I'm rambling, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And y'all come back now. You hear?